We won't be poor forever. That's why we are trading crypto arbitrage trading, buying assets at a low price in a centralized platform, selling them at a higher price in a decentralized platform. Do you actually know that you can flip 100 to 200 USDTs using crypto arbitrage trading? You might be wondering, so make sure you watch this video to the end, where we'll be trading arbitrage trading, and we withdraw our assets from our decentralized platform, that is runquilly.com. So make sure you like my videos, and also if you wanna get free funding, make sure you comment crypto arbitrage trading, and the link in my bio gives you free classes. So we start by buying low on Binance. I've already explained in the previous video. After funding your Runquilly, that's where you unlock your P2P arbitrage trading. So here we sell, and I'm going very fast because I had explained this before. So we'll be selling, no, that one is small copy, that's small profits. So we want something big. We'll be selling to BitSwap Elite with a rate of 2.09. This is an arbitrage rate. So let me copy my Runquilly address. We said if you know how to fund your Runquilly, it will be easy for you to copy your Runquilly address. But if you are here wondering, then you might wonder where we get this address. And you can continue wondering as we continue making profits with arbitrage trading. So I'll be trading with 400 USDTs. Expected profit is 836, which will be sent to my Runquilly account. So I'll paste my address. This is for Runquilly. Remember, we are receiving in internal wallet, of which our internal wallet is runquilly.com. So let me review and show you how this arbitrage actually works. You can see this is the transaction ID, and this is the merchant, BitSwap Elite, and this is our capital, 400 USDTs. The rate of Binance is 1.0 USDT. The rate of Runquilly is 2.09, but there is something called arbitrage, P2P arbitrage fee, which is 16.72. So that means we'll be deducted 16.72 from this trade, and our final arbitrage profit will be 819. So that is almost double of what we started with. So I'll confirm the trade, which is escrow protected here in Runquilly. Our arbitrage trade is escrow protected. So is it a network glitch? Let me wait. It is processing. What's the problem? Yes, it is running. It was some network problem. So the trade will take around 30 minutes. That is arbitrage trade to complete. We'll come and release it here. So let's make a withdrawal very fast, so that we don't say, oh, I'm trading, I can't withdraw, whatever, blah 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 blah. Let's make a live withdrawal to Binance. So you go to Binance. If you want to withdraw to Binance, you can substitute with other exchanges like Bybit, and we check our balance as 1,264. We click on add funds, we click on deposit assets, we click on USDT TRC20, then copy the address, go back and paste here your Binance address. Then amount, we will enter 108. So we'll receive 102 USDTs in our Binance. So let's confirm and wait. Then our arbitrage is still there, still ongoing. Nothing has changed. We wait for the merchant to pay, then we release. So let's wait. So our withdrawal has been approved, and you can see my balance has changed from 1,260 something to 1,366. So that's how arbitrage trading works. So this is a withdrawal approved. I don't know if my arbitrage trade has been paid on. So let me show you on the transaction first. And here we are. The date and time still pending. I think still network. My network today is very slow. Yeah, approved. It has been approved because it has been sent to my Binance account. So let's check on our P2P trade. I'm sorry. P2P arbitrage trade. If it has been paid on, you just click there. Then you click, you'll see this payment received. If you see this release now, then you scroll down and you release. So we've made double of our capital with arbitrage trading. Withdrawals are working. All you need is you to start trading now, and make sure you start with good profits capital so that you can make good profits. That's how arbitrage trading works. Make sure you don't miss out. Part 2, we might receive in our external wallet, or we trade with arbitrage bots. So we'll do one of them.